In this video, I'm going to show you how to import and export filters on Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom Pro account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It has a lot of different premium features that are completely for free, such as an amazing wallet tracker, a top-notch Twitter tracker, a P&L tracker, an amazing reward system, which basically earns you Solana back whenever you trade. They have a turbo mode, which makes for faster fills. You can set different presets, set different fees inside them. You have a bunch of different amazing filters, etc. So again, link down below. Check it out. You will not regret it. Now, to actually import and export filters in Axiom, this has now been a new update. So if you can go to Discover over here or to Pulse, it doesn't really matter. You want to open up the filters. And let's say I'm going to open up filters for Final Stretch over here. So make sure you have your filters actually selected to the one you want to go, so to the tab you want to use. For example, I'm going to go with Final Stretch. And then here, you can see down below, there's now a new option which says Import and Export. So if I just click on Export over here, it's going to copy my filters to the clipboard. And if I go to Import, it gives you a window where you can just paste them. So if you know somebody with some great filters and they're willing to share, they will just send you something what's going to look like this over here, as you can see. And then you have to just paste this in here, click on import, and then you are good to go. Your filters have been successfully imported. Of course, you can send it to somebody else as well via the export button. So that's pretty much it. Of course, at the end, don't forget to click on apply all over here so everything will save. Now, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.